Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. Okay. Today we will discuss about 7th chapter of GK, Indian Nobel Prize winners. Okay. We heard about more Indian famous persons, those who got Nobel Prize. Okay. Clear? We know very well about the most of the Indians, okay, those who got the Nobel Prize. Okay, so one by one we will discuss about those persons or Indians. Okay, see, by the clue and descriptions, with the help of the clue and descriptions, we identify that the name of the particular Indians winners who got the Nobel Prize. Okay, so first one, see here, यहाँ पे देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है. He was a biochemist who shared the Nobel Prize in psychology. Okay, he was the biochemist who shared the Nobel Prize in physiology or medicine in 1968. Okay, with Marshall W. Nirenberg and Robert W. Hawley. Okay, he was born in British India, now part of Pakistan. He was home-schooled by his father until high school. Clear? So, this particular winners, that image is given of that particular winners and some descriptions given. Na? So, with the help of these descriptions, just we identify that the name of this particular Indian Nobel Prize winners. Okay, so first point is given what? He was a biochemist shared or got a Nobel Prize in what? Physiology or medicine with two more persons, Marshall W. Nirenberg and Robert W. Hawley. Okay, he was born in British India, ब्रिटिश कॉल में. ओके, इनका क्या हुआ था? बॉर्न हुआ था. नाउ पार्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, जो कि अब पाकिस्तान का पार्ट है. ही वॉज होम स्कूल्ड बाई हिज फादर एंड ही हाई स्कूल. ओके, सो नेम ऑफ दिस इंडियन विनर्स. ओके, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस इंडियन विनर्स? फर्स्ट वन, हरगोविंद खुराना. व्हाट? हरगोविंद खुराना. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, सी, इमेज इज गिवन. नाउ clue is given, description is given. He is an India-born American and British biologist. He is an India-born American and British biologist. Okay, India-born American. Indian थे लेकिन born कहाँ हुआ था? अमेरिका में हुआ था. British biologist. Okay, British के biologist थे. Okay, he shared the 2009 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Thomas A. Stiz and Ada E. Unath. Okay, he was also awarded India's second highest civilian honor, the Padma Bhushan, in 2010. Means he got two prizes. First one, what? First one, Nobel Prize in 2009, and second prize he got Padma Bhushan in 2010. So name of this particular Indian winners or famous Indian person, name of this one is Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Okay, now see third one, image is given here. He was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems. एक बहुत बड़े क्या थे? पोएट थे ना, जिन्होंने अपने पोएम्स के ऊपर इनको नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया था. क्लियर? गीतांजलि, his compositions Jangan Man and Aman Sonar Bangla were chosen by two nations, India and Bangladesh, as national anthem respectively. इन्होंने दो नेशनल एंथम भी क्या किया? राइट किया. जनगण मन फॉर इंडिया एंड अमर सोनार बंगला फॉर द बांग्लादेश के लिए. ओके, सो नेम ऑफ दिस इंडियन विनर्स. ओके, इस इंडियन फेमस इंडियंस पर्सन नेम, व्हाट? नेम ऑफ दिस इंडियन पर्सन रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Now next year, see, okay, he was an Indian American, okay, astrophysicist who within who with William A. Fowler won the 1983 Nobel Prize for Physics. He was nephew of Sir Chandrasekhara Venkataraman, who won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. ये किसके नेफ्यू थे? चंद्रशेखर वेंकटरमण के. और इनको किसमें नोबेल प्राइज मिला है? फिजिक्स, इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिजिक्स, एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स. ही वाज ए एस्ट्रोफिजिस्ट. physicist. So name of this particular Indian winners, Nobel Prize winner, identify the name with the help of clue and picture. What name of this Indian Nobel Prize winner is? Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Now next one, see my image, easily you can identify na Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. She was born in just Goraksha, Bojakshu. She founded the missionaries of charity in Kolkata in 1950. She was the recipient of numerous honors, including the 1979 Nobel Peace Prize. She was declared saint by the Catholic Church in 2016. Clear? So name of this particular lady is what? Mother Teresa. Saint Mother Teresa. Now next one, see. He is an Indian economist who was awarded the 1998 Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science. इनको इकोनॉमिक साइंस के फील्ड में क्या दिया गया? नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया था. In 2012, he became a first non-American recipient of the National Humanities Medal. So name of this particular person. This Indian famous Nobel Prize winners. What name of this one? Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen. Now next one, see. He was an Indian physicist. So by the picture you can identify the Dr. C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman. She was an Indian physicist whose work was very helpful in the growth of science in India. He was recipient of Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He was first non-white to receive any Nobel Prize in the science. Clear? So he gave grateful. He gave the grateful grateful work performance in the field of science. For the growth of the science in India. So name of this particular Indian winners, Nobel Prize winners. What name of this one person? Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman. Now see last one. He is an Indian children's rights advocate. ये बच्चों के लिए क्या एक बहुत बड़े एडवोकेट थे, बच्चों के अधिकार के पक्ष में. एंड एक्टिविस्ट अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड लेबर, और जो बाल श्रम होता है उसके अपोज में ये बहुत ज्यादा अगेंस्ट में थे. ही वॉन द नोबेल प्राइज फॉर पीस इन 2014. ही स्टार्टेड द बचपन बचाओ आंदोलन. इन 1980 में इन्होंने ये आंदोलन स्टार्ट किया. And has acted to protect the rights of more than 83,000 children from 144 countries. 144 countries से इन्होंने लगभग more than 83,000 children को प्रोटेक्ट किया. उनकी राइट्स के लिए. So name of this particular Indian Nobel Prize winner. What? Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi. Clear? Now we'll proceed to the next chapter. Students, the smallest countries. We know that now in the world many countries are really smallest in area and in populations. Clear? So countries are categorized with the population and size as criterion. Here are the top 6 smallest countries of the world is given. Clear? See here. First one, Vatican City is the smallest country as well as city in the world. सबसे छोटा कंट्री और सिटी है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. एरिया इज व्हाट? ओनली 2 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. वेरी स्मॉल एरिया ना, ओनली 2 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ सी सेकंड वन मोनाको. Second one, Monaco is the second smallest country and the most densely populated country in the world. More मोस्ट डेंसली, बहुत ज़्यादा डेंस पॉपुलेटेड है ये. ओके, सेकेंड स्मॉलेस्ट कंट्री. एरिया इज व्हाट, वेरी स्मॉल, 0.44 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. इससे भी कम है ना फर्स्ट वाले से, 0.44 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ नेक्स्ट. ओके, Nauru, located in South Pacific Ocean, was formerly called Pleasant Iceland. Okay, Pleasant Iceland. Area 26 kilometer square. यही बहुत कम है ना, very less, 26 kilometer square. Now next one. Okay, Tuvalu is located in South Pacific Ocean, same place, South Pacific Ocean between Australia and Hawaii. ये दोनों के बीच में ये क्या है, लोकेटेड है ऑस्ट्रेलिया और हवाई के बीच में. एरिया अगेन वेरी लेस, 21 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, सी रिपब्लिक, ओके, ऑफ सैन मैरिनो. रिपब्लिक ऑफ सैन मैरिनो इज द इटालियन पेनिसुला एंड सराउंडेड बाय इटली. इटली के चारों तरफ, ओके, इसको ये प्लेस्ड है. ओके, इटालियन पेनिसुला एंड सराउंडेड बाय इटली. इटली के चारों तरफ ये प्लेस्ड है. ओके, सो नेम ऑफ दिस वन, रिपब्लिक ऑफ सैन मैरिनो. एरिया इज वेरी लेस, व्हाट, 61 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ लास्ट वन, सी हियर, लाइचेस्टिन. ओके, लाइचेस्टिन place of the particular city's name is what, Liechtenstein. Okay, is a small German speaking country. यहाँ पे लोग क्या बोलते हैं, मेनली जर्मन लैंग्वेज बोलता है. बिटवीन ऑस्ट्रिया एंड स्विट्जरलैंड, प्लेस्ड बिटवीन, लोकेटेड बिटवीन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड स्विट्जरलैंड. एरिया ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री इज व्हाट, सिटी इज व्हाट, 160 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. क्लियर. सो विच वन वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट कंट्री और स्मॉल सिटी इन ऑल अमॉन्ग द 6? विच वन? दिस वन ना, मोनाको. वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट एरिया, 0.44 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. क्लियर. नाउ सेकेंड वन दिस. ओके, नाउ थर्ड वन इज what, this. Now fourth one is this. Now fifth one is this, and sixth one is this. So smallest one is what? Monaco. Clear, students? Okay. Next class we will discuss about the chapter 9. Okay, famous, okay, achievements spark of the world. Clear? Thank you, students, and learn these both chapter for the examination point of view. Okay.